Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
First, confirm your iPhone runs iOS 15 or later and has messages available. Open Messages and tap the Memoji icon to create or edit a Memoji. Design the face, skin tone, and accessories until you are satisfied with the look. Aim to preview the sticker at phone screen scale while designing. Keep a target wallpaper canvas of 1170 by 2532 pixels for iPhone 12 and 13 sizing. This ensures your final image will fit without excessive cropping or blurring. Next, open a conversation in Messages and reveal the Memoji sticker pack. Tap and hold the sticker you want and choose Save Image to add the PNG to Photos. Open Keynote or a photo editor and create a 1170 by 2532 pixel canvas for precise wallpaper sizing. Import the saved PNG and place it where you want on the canvas, keeping central composition for lock and home screens. Choose a solid background color or gradient that complements the memo. Finally, open Photos and locate the exported wallpaper image you created. Tap the share icon and choose Use as Wallpaper to begin the iPhone wallpaper workflow. Pinch and drag to position the Memoji so it sits well for both lock and home screens. Set the photo type to still and turn perspective off to prevent automatic zoom or motion. Choose Set and pick lock screen, home screen, or both, depending on preference. Check the result and adjust background or placement if you need a second iteration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.